Russia has agreed to India's request to constitute specific teams to ensure proper maintenance, support and supply of spares for critical defense platforms. The 19th India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission on Military Technical Cooperation was co-chaired by the Indian Defence Minister and his Russian counterpart in Moscow, and they also directed their teams to work closely for an early conclusion of the bilateral Reciprocal Logistics Support Pact. India has asked Russia to speed up the delivery schedule of the S-400 system, and Russia has also agreed to speed up the co-production process of AK-203 rifles in India. The production of the rifles will take place in 5 phases, and the indigenous content will be increased from 5 to 15% in Phase 1, and to 100% in the 5th and final phase. Airbus has started fresh push for a deal for 6 A330 aerial refuelers with India, but Airbus is likely to get some serious competition from Boeing, which has offered its KC-46 Pegasus aircraft. The Airbus A330 is a bigger aircraft with better load-carrying capacity, and also comes equipped with a more powerful engine, but the Boeing KC-46 Pegasus is smaller, and is much more economical and cheaper than the A330. And since it is also backed by the United States Air Force with orders of 179 aircraft, the economies of scale of production will also be in its favor. As many as 1,200 Indian and 500 US soldiers, sailors and airmen will take part in the first ever tri-service India-US military exercise called Tiger Triumph, that is scheduled to start on the 13th of November. This exercise will help to build the combat capacity, and will improve their ability to operate together. The Indian and US forces will become familiar with one another's aviation support capabilities, by conducting cross-deck landings by the Indian Air Force on the USS Germantown. According to latest reports, the Russian President Vladimir Putin has extended an invitation to Prime Minister Modi to attend the celebrations during the 20th annual summit in September this year. The Indian Defence Minister has also confirmed the participation of an Indian military contingent in the Victory Day Parade in 2020. Hindustan Shipyard has delivered 2 Bollard Tugs to the Indian Navy, which were flagged off to their home ports in the presence of senior Navy officials. These vessels can achieve a speed up to 12 knots, and both tugs have proved good characteristics. Hindustan Shipyard has already delivered 4 of the 6 vessels to the Indian Navy.